Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you another recipe of mine, where this recipe is the cheapest among my recipes in my kitchen, but the benefits of it is very powerful, especially us as women, because this one, it will help you to boost your collagen. So today the recipe that I'm gonna share with you today called chicken leg adobo with gochujang and honey sauce. So let's start cooking. So first of all guys, I have this chicken leg. So make sure that you really have to clean it nicely. Take out all the nails, yeah, and make sure that there's no skin attached on it and it's clean, yeah. So first of all, I need some oil, at least 2 tablespoons of oil. So now I have this 1 medium size of onion. I slice it thinly, and 2 cloves of garlic and 3 bay leaf, yeah. So now we're gonna saute the onion first, and now we're gonna put our garlic and our bay leaf, yeah. Just saute them for a while, and you can see they're going to brown. So now what we do is, after we saute this for at least 1 minute, then we're gonna put our chicken leg, yeah. And we no need to do anything. We just season that with 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and half teaspoon of salt and dash of pepper. That's so easy. And after this, I'm gonna put water on it, because we need to boil this one until the chicken leg becomes soft, and not only soft but it's fall off from the bone, yeah. So I have 500 ml of water, yeah. So what we do is we put the lid on, and once you can see the water is boiling guys, you have to put your fire into a slow flame, and we boil this one slowly for at least 2 hours, but we have to see until not much water and soft, and after that we continue putting the seasoning, yeah. So guys, I boiled this for 1.5 hours in a slow fire, and now it looks like that. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna add in the rest of my seasoning for this, and I have this 1 teaspoon of gochujang paste, yeah. So what we do is we just put it in one side and let it melt. And now I have this 1 tablespoon of honey, one tablespoon, and last one is 1 teaspoon of dark sauce, yeah. So we continue simmer this until the liquid become lesser, yeah. So see you in half an hour time. So guys, this is the result of the chicken leg that I boiled. I boiled it for 2 hours in a slow flame, yeah, and this is the result. So now I'm gonna dish it out, and we taste this one after that, yeah. So guys, this is it guys. This is the result of my chicken leg adobo with gochujang and honey sauce, and now looks at that, it's very mouth-watering, right? So I will show you how it is like. I will try one. It's really melt in your mouth. It's very soft, and the taste is really amazing. And this guys, I tell you, this is worth trying recipe, and I hope you will try this at home. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.